Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to send Bitcoin from Cash App to your Kraken account. So first of all, you need to copy the Bitcoin address from Kraken. Just open the Kraken app. You need to click deposit right here. Select the Bitcoin because Cash App only supports Bitcoin, and then select the network. So in this case, I will select Bitcoin network. And then you need to copy the wallet address from Kraken. So you need to click the copy address and you can close Kraken. Now you need to open the Cash App. You need to click the bank icon in the bottom left menu, select Bitcoin, and if you have available Bitcoin balance, you will see this kind of arrow under your balance. You need to click this arrow. Then you need to select the amount of Bitcoin you are sending from Cash App to Kraken. And then you need to enter the wallet address we just copied from Kraken account. So you need to enter your Kraken's Bitcoin address and then click the next button in the top right and finalize the transaction. So that's all. You will send your Bitcoin from Cash App to your Kraken account. In a few minutes, you can check your balance. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.